Okay, so we're going to start off tonight's 1-minute training exercise with some recall exercises again. And now mind you, these are off-leash, so we're going to do 2 sections tonight. This is going to be the off-leash section, and really what we want to do is we want to encourage her to just keep coming towards me whatever direction I'm going to change to. So I'm going to start off by giving her some positive sounds that I'm going to use later on when I'm going to train her. Okay, baby. All right, good girl. All right. Good girl. Okay.